Hi, I'm Dr. Kumar T. Vadivel. I am a board-certified periodontist. I want to talk to you about why you need regular teeth cleaning at your dentist's office. When your dentist performs teeth cleaning, he or she can also conduct an oral cancer screening. This is not always done, but you can ask your dentist to do it for you at the same time. A dentist is trained to be able to spot early cancer symptoms. Oral cancers are on the rise. More than 51,500 people will be diagnosed with it this year. 1/5, or 20%, of them will die from it. Most of them will be men. Oral cancers tend to spread fast because of all the blood vessels that are in your head and neck. Early detection is needed to save your life. When discovered early, there is an 83% chance you will still be alive after 5 years, but only 39% if discovered in an advanced stage. Symptoms of oral cancer vary but include red and white patches in your mouth, lumps or thickening of the skin or a rough spot, difficulty chewing or swallowing, sores that do not go away after 2 weeks, and a change in the way your teeth or dentures fit. Getting to a dentist quickly for an examination and diagnosis can help you live longer. By keeping regular 6-month teeth cleaning appointments, you may get much more than just cleaner teeth.